10 Android security tools I found on GitHub at 2 a.m. Introduction, hook. Imagine it's 2 a.m. Most people are sleeping, but you're scrolling through GitHub looking for something interesting. That's exactly what I was doing when I stumbled across some Android security tools that completely caught my attention. Some of these tools can help researchers analyze Android applications, find hidden information, monitor app behavior, and better understand how mobile apps work behind the scenes. The surprising part? Many cybersecurity beginners have never heard of these tools, even though some of them are used by professionals around the world. This video is for educational and authorized security testing purposes only. Always test only on devices, applications, and systems that you own or have explicit permission to assess. Now, let's get started. 1. Medusa. The first tool on the list is Medusa. If you've ever spent hours repeating the same Android testing tasks again and again, you'll understand why this tool is useful. Medusa is a modular Android testing framework that comes with many ready-to-use modules. Instead of creating custom scripts for every task, researchers can automate common activities and collect information much faster. This makes Android application analysis more efficient and less time-consuming. For anyone who wants to speed up their testing workflow, Medusa is definitely worth exploring. 2. ReFlutter. Next, we have ReFlutter. Flutter applications are becoming more popular every year. Apps built with Flutter often behave differently from traditional Android applications, which can make analysis more challenging. That's where ReFlutter comes in. This tool focuses specifically on Flutter applications and helps researchers understand what's happening behind the scenes. If you've ever tried analyzing a Flutter app and felt stuck, ReFlutter can provide valuable insight into how the application is structured and operates internally. As Flutter continues growing, tools like this become increasingly important. 3. Quark Engine. Coming in at number 3 is Quark Engine. Imagine reviewing thousands of lines of Android code manually. That can take hours. Quark Engine helps reduce that workload by automatically looking for patterns that may indicate suspicious or unusual behavior. Rather than replacing human analysis, it helps researchers focus their attention on areas that deserve closer inspection. This makes it especially useful when analyzing multiple applications at once. Think of it as a tool that helps prioritize what should be investigated first. 4. InSpeckage. Now let's talk about InSpeckage. One of the biggest challenges in Android security is understanding what an application does while it's actually running. Reading code is useful, but seeing behavior in real time can reveal much more. InSpeckage helps researchers observe application activity and understand how different components interact with one another. This visibility can provide a deeper understanding of how an application processes data and performs various functions. For anyone interested in runtime analysis, this tool can be extremely valuable. 5. APKLeaks. At number 5, we have APKLeaks. You might be surprised how often developers accidentally leave sensitive information inside application packages. Things like API keys, tokens, internal URLs, configuration files. APKLeaks helps identify these findings quickly. This tool is useful not only for security researchers, but also for developers who want to check whether sensitive information has been unintentionally exposed. A simple review today can prevent bigger problems later. 6. APKLab. Next up is APKLab. Many Android researchers use multiple tools during their workflow. The problem? Constantly switching between different programs can become frustrating. APKLab helps solve this by bringing several Android reverse engineering tasks into a single workspace. This creates a more organized workflow and makes analysis much more convenient. Instead of focusing on tool management, researchers can focus on understanding the application itself. 7. Objection. The 7th tool is Objection. If you're learning mobile security, you've probably heard this name before. Objection is popular because it simplifies many runtime testing tasks. Actions that might normally require complicated setup can often be performed through straightforward commands. This accessibility makes it a favorite among beginners while still being useful for experienced researchers. It's one of those tools that helps reduce complexity without sacrificing capability. 8. Frida. Now, we arrive at one of the most famous Android security tools ever created. Frida. If you've spent any time exploring Android security content online, you've almost certainly encountered Frida. Frida allows researchers to interact with applications while they're running. This flexibility has made it a foundation for countless Android security workflows. Many advanced mobile security projects rely on Frida in some way. Because of its power and versatility, it's often considered an essential tool for serious Android application analysis. 9. MobSF. The ninth tool is MobSF, which stands for Mobile Security Framework. MobSF is popular because it combines multiple analysis techniques into a single platform. Instead of using separate tools for different tasks, researchers can perform various assessments within one environment. The platform also generates detailed reports that help users understand potential security concerns more efficiently. For beginners entering mobile application security, MobSF is often one of the best places to start. 10. AndroGuard. Finally, we have AndroGuard. Despite being around for many years, AndroGuard remains a valuable Android analysis framework. Researchers use it to examine application structures, inspect components, and understand how applications are built internally. It provides detailed information that can help users better understand Android software architecture. Its longevity and continued usefulness make it a tool that still deserves attention today. Final thoughts. And those were 10 Android security tools I discovered while exploring GitHub at 2 a.m. Some of these tools are well known. Others are hidden gems that deserve much more attention. Whether you're a cybersecurity student, mobile security enthusiast, developer, or researcher, these tools can help you learn more about Android applications and improve your understanding of mobile security. Question for the audience. Which tool surprised you the most? Have you used any of these before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more videos covering hidden GitHub projects, cybersecurity tools, ethical hacking resources, and Android security content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay secure.